The question I chose to talk about was, should Texas enact a statewide ban on abortions unless in the case of incest, rape, or the imminent physical health of the mother? What are your opinions, and how does this opinion revolve around our political culture and of our own? So I believe that Texas should not enact a statewide ban just because if they do so, that is taking away the woman's rights to decide whether or not she's can have the baby or not. I know in the political culture nowadays it's very pro life, and I'm not saying I'm not pro life, but I also believe in having a choice, and I believe it is a woman's choice to decide whether or not she should keep her baby. There are, according to Planned Parenthood, there have been laws enacted in 2011 that now require women to attend at least two doctor visits before she can even get an abortion, which means more time taken away from the woman when this is already a hard decision as it is. And then they also stated that they have to stop offering medication abortions because of a law that went into effect January 1st of 2016, and now they only offer surgical abortions. And the downside of that is now women are put in more harm of going through an abortion because now there's a surgical aspect to it, so they're exposed to more dangers rather than just taking medication for it. I think that every woman should have a choice, and I think that if Texas enacts a statewide ban on abortions, then they're taking away that woman's choice. I get that they could still abort the child if it's through incest or if it's through rape, but I also think there are some cases where they should be allowed to abort if they want. I'm all for, I am pro life, and of course, I want every baby to be born, but there are certain circumstances where maybe the best choice is to not have the baby born. Maybe they're financially struggling or they don't live the life that they think a baby should be born into. And that takes a lot for the parents to decide as well. It's not an easy decision to decide on abortion, but I believe that it should be a decision and that Texas should not enact a statewide ban. I get that the state is very conservative, but there's also this next generation that the generation that are making decisions now are affecting the generation that is to come, and that's the generation of tomorrow, and they should be thinking about and listening to what they have to say rather than just what they believe is correct at the time.